Hello everyone, so here's VELOMINGO app, so let's just explore it, how it works, and I will try to show you a quick tutorial of whereabouts of this app. Here you can get it on App Store, on iOS App Store. However, you can also get it on Google Play Store if you have Android phone, so it's available there and there, so it's great. What this app is about, it's like a video editing app. But you can ask, like, there are like hundreds of video editing app. Velocity VELOMINGO app is, it's about creating this vertical velocity edits. And you can select all these very trendy templates which are really cool for TikTok or Instagram. That's probably the whole point of this app. And very easy to use, high quality export, however, only if you upgrade. And you can just get really a lot of likes on TikTok and Instagram Reels, Instagram, all of that. Let's just open it up. I will show you. Create new project. And then you need just to select some video. But the thing is, this app only cuts videos up to like 7 seconds. So if you have a video like, which is like 1 minute, you will still in the end can export video which is like 7 seconds. And then here is the edit. Here is how it looks like. You can use some specific template and then it will be exported. Oops, this is like, so there are a lot of templates. And the cool part about this app is that you can use all of them like for free. The one thing, of course, if you want to export high quality, you will need to upgrade. But other than that, you can use all of these templates, which is really amazing. Some of the templates take longer time than other templates. That's that. So you have that. And let's just see. So this is some advanced template. So I will just scroll to the right to see the amount of all the templates which you can use. Like, it's really amazing. And I think they're adding new templates every time. And you can see, it's pretty cool. It's not just some random. So this is the cool one. Which you can try. Then you can also trim. Then you can also add some music. You can extract from video. You can set up higher quality or default quality, but depending on that, probably you'll need to upgrade. So here is high quality. And if you want to export with high quality, then you need to upgrade for, you will need to upgrade. $29.99 per year or $3.99 per week. Also, you can to remove watermark as well. Obviously, there is a little watermark here in the bottom right, so that's that. But even without that, you can still export it. So that's the cool part. And let's just see in the photos if the quality of the free edition is really that bad. So I'm just showing you the quality of the free version. I think it's not that bad. I took this photo on iPhone 7's selfie camera, so that's probably, it's not like the best quality, but there you have it. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So that's basically the idea. So as you can see, it will fit perfectly on TikTok and Instagram Reels, just to test it out, to have fun with it and to impress your followers. And if you see if it's really working that well and it's where everything's perfect, then just upgrade and it's completely worth it. And also they have free trial for 3 days. So it means you can actually use it for 2 full days, but then cancel on the end of the 2nd day and you won't be charged. Remember then that in iTunes policies is that if you cancel on the end of the 3rd day and you have 3-day free trial, probably you will be still charged for the next week, for the next year. depending which option you chosen. um, so here you have that. So here's VELOMINGO app. Yeah, you can write them on the App Store. There are like terms of users, privacy policy. Um, velocity edits in one tab. I didn't know that. Okay, so yeah, that's that. That's basically the app. As you can see, super easy to use. There are no like tons of buttons and tabs. I had that when they have this stuff in the apps. Yeah, it's super easy to use. Just tap plus in the bottom and then just upload video. You can't upload photos, only videos in this app. That's that. Try it out, have fun, and like this video if it was helpful.